Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Kwgt and the Pro key are installed. This unlocks exporting and advanced modules. Once done, set permissions for overlays and allow resizing so previews match the home screen. Import your PNGs, SVG, and any custom fonts. This helps keep visuals sharp. Then create a new preset, set the exact widget dimensions, and enable the layout grid. You do this because precise sizing prevents clipping and makes later alignment much faster and predictable. You now assemble the widget by adding shape, image, and text modules in order. Place background shapes first and interactive elements on top. Once placed, use overlap and stack settings to control layering. Adjust padding, rotation, and scale with numeric values for pixel-perfect alignment. Next, add formulas for dynamic content, for example, time, battery percentage, or app shortcuts, and attach touch actions like launch or toggle. Doing logic here ensures the widget updates and responds exactly as you intend. You finish by previewing the widget at multiple sizes and orientations, and then save as a pack to preserve assets and settings. When satisfied, export as a Kwgt pack or APK if you plan to distribute. Install and test on the actual home screen to validate touch hotspots and animations. If something breaks, make sure to check module visibility, formula syntax, and app permissions first. These are the most common culprits. Then re-import the preset and iterate until behavior matches your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.